Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to explore the fascinating stories of our special protagonists, tomato, eggplant, and golden zucchini. These friends are indispensable on our dinner tables. Let's delve into their marvelous tales together, shall we? Our first hero is the tomato. The vivid red color of the tomato isn't just for show, it's packed with vitamins and minerals. This little buddy helps enhance vision, maintain sturdy bones, and keep our skin healthy. The red color of tomatoes is mainly due to the presence of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene eliminates harmful molecules known as free radicals in our bodies, preventing cell damage. Additionally, tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, contributing to healthy skin and supporting collagen production. Moreover, the high dietary fiber content aids digestion and promotes kidney health. Through all these aspects, tomatoes provide a variety of nutrients to our bodies, contributing to overall health. Next up is our versatile friend, eggplant. With its various shapes and colors, eggplant never fails to surprise us. This unique vegetable strengthens the immune system and provides abundant nutrients that aid digestion. It's also rich in calcium, potassium, and vitamin C, truly a health booster. Eggplant serves as a rich source of vitamin C, fortifying the immune system to protect our bodies from various diseases. Moreover, eggplant is abundant in minerals such as calcium and potassium. Calcium is crucial for bone and tooth formation, while potassium regulates blood pressure and supports muscle function. Thus, eggplant stands as an excellent vegetable contributing to overall health. Behind its unique appearance lies a range of nutrients that make it an essential ingredient in a healthy diet. Our final protagonist, golden zucchini. Golden zucchini adds a refreshing taste to our table and is rich in various nutrients. The bright yellow color signifies the diversity of essential vitamins and minerals. Golden zucchini is abundant in beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A, promoting enhanced vision and supporting immune function. Additionally, it contains vitamin C, contributing to collagen creation for healthy skin. Furthermore, golden zucchini is rich in dietary fiber, aiding digestion and maintaining a healthy intestine. The potassium present helps regulate blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. Despite its sweet taste, golden zucchini is a low-calorie vegetable, making it a versatile and healthful addition to various dishes. In conclusion, tomato, eggplant, and golden zucchini provide a diverse array of nutrients to our bodies and are delightful companions in our meals. It's essential to incorporate a variety of vegetables into our diets to maintain a healthy eating routine. Sharing a meal with these friends always brings joy and health. Now, let's use these friends to create a delicious Provençal dish, ratatouille. This recipe maximizes the fresh taste of tomato, eggplant, and golden zucchini. Let's get started. Firstly, thoroughly wash the large tomato, eggplant, and golden zucchini. Cut them into appropriate sizes. Also, finely chop onions and garlic. Coat the pan with olive oil, then add onions and garlic. Sauté until the aroma fills the air, marking the beginning of a fragrant vegetable stir-fry. Now, add the prepared tomato, eggplant, and golden zucchini to the pan and sauté over medium heat. Stir and cook until the vegetables become tender. Sprinkle various spices to add aroma, then season with salt and pepper. This step enhances the flavors by combining the freshness of vegetables with the aroma of herbs. Once all the ingredients are well mixed, remove from heat and let it cool. Ratatouille tastes even better when it cools down. It's that simple. Try ratatouille with bread or pasta. It's also delicious spread on a simple slice of bread. Enjoy a pleasant mealtime by easily preparing it at home. That wraps up this simple ratatouille recipe. Experience the fresh taste and aroma of tomato, eggplant, and golden zucchini, bringing the essence of Provence to your home. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Wishing you a healthy and happy day through mindful eating habits. Until next time.